Thank
ठीक है. Good afternoon, good morning, sir. Could you just tell a bit about your company and the products that you're showcasing?
Yeah, we belong to MP Birla Group and we are one of the largest in telecom, cables and energy, power cables, all sectors and chemicals everywhere. Now we have entered into LED lighting solutions in partnership with Opti LED. This is an American registered company having its operational headquarters in Hong Kong in a brand name of Birla Opti LED. So we have just introduced in India since last, you can say, 3 to 6 months. I mean, we have just started and we are participating in this exhibition. We have introduced various products and we are foreseeing a lot of opportunities in this field in terms of very good energy saving potential and good payback and long lifetime of the any fixtures or light fittings, anything you take it. So this is what we are into and we are getting very good response in this LED Expo 2010 and of course quite a lot of players are there, but still many things have to be done in India. So definitely India is looking forward to this kind of market. Products and potential is there, so we are going to be in a win-win situation both for the customers as well as our company, group of companies.
So how has the experience been so far at the expo in terms of exhibitor profile as well as visitor profile?
Excellent, excellent. Yesterday we got from some government agencies, some airport authorities, so many people are coming, so many consultants, architects and so many distributors are also there. So it is growing up in a big way. So we are getting good response. So we would like to capitalize on that and we would like to help them out also, and ultimately the end user should benefit. That is the key motto. So ours is a top class quality product. We have no doubt why we should not be a successful one. We will definitely sure that this will be a very great success for us.
What sector of the LED industry are your products targeting?
You name the industry, name the business vertical we are into. You take any of the IT sector, whether it is BPO or a KPO or a big software developing companies or a big commercial establishment or financial institutions. You take any commercial buildings, everywhere we would like to save energy and put LED lighting applications over there, various kinds of solutions. And then you take other hospitality industries, 5-star hotels, they consume lot of energy. So India is a power starved nation. Of course the government is putting up lot of stress on the power generation, but still we should save power. So if you use this kind of solutions, definitely this will be a boon to our country. And big industrial houses or medical applications, pharmaceutical applications and street lighting. So you name it, we are into that vertical.
Are you launching any new product at your stall today?
Yeah, today we will be announced. We are having a seminar there, so we will announce a new product and especially suited to the Indian market, which is you can say more less energy consuming product. You can say so that will be a boon for the users, end users especially, and that will definitely what you call that replace the CFLs or the incandescent lamps which are previously there are still existing there. So those kind of products we will replace it, and this is a revolutionary product we can say. So that will come up short while from now on.
Thank you for talking to us, sir.
Thank you very much. You are welcome.